What is up, Boo Kitties? It's the girl with the guy's name, gang. Now I'm saying 5 forehead gang, back with another video. We're gonna just jump right into it. You guys, I'm gonna be teaching you, I don't know what I just said, I'm gonna be teaching you how to make a channel banner art in Canva with your iPhone. And for this, you're gonna go to the web and do canva.com from the desktop view. You don't want to download the mobile app Canva when you are editing channel banner art on Canva from your iPhone. You want to use the desktop view. Now, what I just did is I went in Google, canva.com, desktop view, and I chose my template to be the YouTube channel banner art. Okay, this is what I have right here. 2 other apps you're going to need is Fonto and Eraser, but that's going to be later on in the video. So as you can see here, I have my page open up in Canva, desktop view, not the app, on the template YouTube channel banner art. First thing I'm going to do is going to press the plus sign, and I'm going to go into elements, and pretty much what you can do is just add anything that you would like. Now I'm going to show you guys exactly how to make a channel banner art from scratch, basic but lit. Okay, now the first thing you need, of course, is like a cake, like you're layering your channel banner art. We're going to need a background. So I'm thinking like, okay, what could I use as a background? So if you guys want, you could do this 1 or 2 ways. The first way is to go into Canva background and just type in marble background or a floral background or whatever you would like your background to be. But I personally like to go on Google, and I just like to browse the web for my marble background. In particular, a lot of the times I find a lot of my backgrounds on Tumblr. So I'm just browsing here, and if I don't see anything straight from Google Images, I'll usually just go to Tumblr marble background or Tumble marble background with gold accents, Tumble beauty guru background, anything that you would like. Just type it in this way, and you're gonna find something that you like. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying, Boo Kitties. By the way, comment down below, you guys, your channel banner arts that you have made from this video. I want to see them, and subscribe if you are liking this video so far. It's quick to the chase. So as you can see here, these are a few marble backgrounds, and I decided to go with this one. So we're just gonna save this to the iPhone and just go to add to photos, and we're just gonna double check to see that our background is there. Cool, copy, lit. All right, so the next thing we're gonna do is we are going to go back into Canva. And what you're going to do is you're going to swipe to uploads, and we're going to upload our marble background that we just downloaded directly to our iPhone into our files in Canva so that we can smack it right onto our channel banner art. So I just uploaded from my iPhone the marble background we just downloaded. This part is really important, you guys. When you're sizing anything, if you want to keep the resolution and not mess that up, always, okay, so for instance, with the marble background, you can enlarge this and modify it any way you want. But say if this was an actual picture of you or something that you wanted to keep the resolution, always enlarge the image by dragging diagonally. Never do it horizontally or vertically. Always drag it diagonally. Since it was just a background, I just enlarged it horizontally and vertically, but always enlarge images diagonally. Now we're going to hop back over to the web, and something else you're going to need is you're going to need to download this YouTube channel banner art template, because what this is going to do is going to help you to stay within the dimensions of YouTube's channel banner art so that your image on YouTube won't be out of place, or it will keep you from being dissatisfied. A lot of people tell me, oh, every time I try to do my channel banner art, it doesn't fit. This is why. You have to make sure when you're creating your channel banner art, no matter what you're using, you want to use this channel banner art template. So we're going to do the same thing we did with our marble background. We're going to go to upload, photo library, and we are going to take this photo of the YouTube channel banner art template and upload it to Canva, because we just saved this from the web to our iPhone, just like how we did the marble background. And now that it's here, we want to make sure that we are true to the dimensions in YouTube. So like I said, whenever you're enlarging an image, never enlarge it horizontally or vertically. Always do it diagonally. Now, the reason why I'm putting this template over my background is because I want to make sure that I place it right on top. And since this little margin or column that has like the darker square, that small right here where those blue lines are, sorry, I'm getting text messages from my bro. This is all we're going to see in your channel banner art. So the reason why I'm doing it this way is so that I can know what's going to fit and so that I can size my actual graphics once I start creating my channel banner art within the right dimensions of YouTube. This is an important trick right here. So this is what we're going to do. You're going to pretty much just make sure that the background, the marble background, you want it to be just like this, okay? As you can see here, right? And I'm only using this so that I can make sure that I'm staying in the dimensions. And what I just did was I just drug the marble template down so that I can see, okay, this is what I'm working with. Now we're gonna hop into the eraser app. Now what I just did here, Lord. What I just did here is I hopped into the eraser app, and what you're going to do in the eraser app, you're going to upload an image and you're going to press erase. Now this pretty much is what I use whenever I don't feel like hopping into Photoshop or I don't feel like doing the extra stuff. I just go right on my iPhone using the eraser app, and literally you can erase your background, but it is tedious, okay? I have to just throw that in there. It is tedious, and I'm just fast forwarding, speeding up this process because it's a bit time consuming, but because I've been doing it for quite some time, it's really fun for me. But yeah, pretty much you're going to use this red dot and you're going to erase everything in the background, you guys. You're going to erase everything. And basically what we're going to do is for every picture that you want to use in your channel banner art, I'm only using like 4 or 5. I'm going to erase all of the backgrounds using the eraser app. And I didn't include this in the video because I really wanted to keep it short and sweet and to the chase. But pretty much, look, right when I was about to download my finished product, I noticed that it was a little bit of my door missing here. So always just double checking before you download your images out of the eraser app, because it's just going to be frustrating to have to do it, have to upload a picture into the app and then redo it. So we just kind of want to get straight to the point. So yes, if you guys are following, please press that subscribe button. And for my tutorials, I'm practicing on going slower because I naturally talk really quickly, and I have to remember, Ryan, slowly show your boo-boo kitties. Baby girl, they're not going nowhere. Just relax. Okay, so now that I have the finished product here, I'm basically going to save this from the eraser app, and we're going to make sure that it's in my images. And this is a PNG file. A PNG file is a portable, transparent image or graphic. And we are just making sure that our transparent background image is successful. I'm going to hop into eraser really quickly, just in case you erase something that you don't want to erase. You're just going to go right next to eraser, and it says restore. And a red film will appear over your image of what you have erased. And basically you can restore what you accidentally erased as such. But pretty much I did this with every single picture I wanted to use in my channel banner art. So we're going to do the same thing. Go into Canva, press the plus sign, press upload, go to our images that we've uploaded into Canva. And pretty much what I'm going to be working on right now, I'm sizing the image right now onto the marble background, and then in a bit we're going to go back and make sure that everything is in the right dimension. So pretty much what I'm doing right here is I'm just kind of filling out, okay, where do I want this image to be? Do I want this to be over here? Do I want this to be over here? And like I said, this is an extremely basic, beginner-friendly tutorial on channel banner art because I don't want to overwhelm you guys. I'm gonna have more tutorials coming up this week, of course, during quarantine and everything, but I really want to make this really easy and to the chase. So I press the plus sign. We're gonna go back and we're going to upload. This is something that I wanted to show you guys just in case you wanted to add something else to this beginner tutorial. If you want to add any of your social media icons, you can go to Google, download Instagram icons, but make sure you download a PNG file so that has a transparent background so that you can add your social media links. But for the purpose of this video, I want to keep it as beginner friendly as possible, so we're not going to do that. We're only going to be uploading images that we have taken out the background of so that we can put on our channel banner art. But this is another thing that I'm showing you guys. So say if you want to kind of have your picture have a silhouette behind it, what you can do is, while your image is highlighted, you press duplicate or copy, and pretty much you can take the one that's behind your original image and you can just play around with the color, play around with the tint, saturation, and literally you can take this image and put it right on top so that it can look like it has a silhouette behind it. But for the purpose of this video, we're not going to do that. So I just kind of fast forwarded this part right here. I'm basically doing the same step over and over. As you can see, all these images, I took out the background and erased the background on the eraser app. And then what I'm doing right here is I'm just pressing this plus sign to the bottom right. And basically uploading pictures from my iPhone that I saved from the eraser app, and I'm uploading it into Canva as such. And once it's uploaded into Canva, I just upload it here to my channel banner art. And this is pretty much what I want my channel banner art to be. I just want it to be not too much going on, very simple, but has a touch of femininity at the same time. And pretty much after I do this, what I do is I drag the actual channel banner art template up over the marble background so that I can just place my images within the margins, as you can see here. And then I highlight the actual template and I press delete, and now my channel banner art fits the exact dimensions on YouTube. And what we're going to do is we're going to save our image from Canva, and you want to make sure that you save this as a JPG file. And once that's saved, we're just going to view it just to see if it is all good. And I'm just going to show you guys just a close-up of what that looks like. And we're going to open this up in Phonto. Okay, so Phonto is the last step that we use. You're going to click, and we're going to hit plain images, and we're going to click the white background, and we're going to hit the top with those dimensions, and we're going to press custom size, and we're going to do, let me just hop back in really quickly, guys. Hold on one second. I just want to make sure that I downloaded this correctly because I didn't see it in my photos. Okay, so we're going to do 2560 by 1440, and that is going to be our dimensions. Make sure that you save this when you are doing these steps, you guys, because every single detail in here is imperative to create a successful channel banner art without having to make it and go back and forth. And then we're going to press use, and then we're going to tap, and then we're going to go to photo albums, and I am going to bring in our channel banner art that we just exported and downloaded from Canva. So the great thing about the Phonto app is whenever I'm using it, I personally use the Phonto app the vast majority of the times for the text. It just gives me a lot of variety, and I can play around with the colors, etc., etc. You guys will see once I'm done. So pretty much you press text, and if you want, you can upload your own fonts that you save, but I personally don't have any personal fonts on the Phonto app or that I've saved on my iPhone. Everything's on my laptop. But yeah, you can definitely do that. But I pretty much like this. I like how it has these little box squares, and this is my YouTube channel's name, the girl with the guy's name. And when you're sizing this, you just kind of highlight, you click size, and you can just adjust this to your liking as such. And I just want mine to be right in the middle. And for the color, I think I'm gonna go with like a peach or something to match the background, since it's like a marble background. And like I said here, when you click text, you can play around and you can add different colors. I just thought I heard somebody at my door, sorry y'all. But yeah, you can add different colors. You can add the opacity if you would like to be if you would like it to be more opaque. The other great thing about this is you can literally create an ombre effect using the Phonto app, and you can just add all of your different colors that you want, that you desire for your channel banner art. And I'm just showing you guys how you can do this. You just kind of press where it says empty in the box and just add what color you would like, and you can just play around with that. You can do a lot in Phonto when it comes to the text messages, and that's one of the things that I really like a lot. But thumbs up, you guys, if you're enjoying this video. Subscribe to this channel if you're enjoying this video. I'm happy that you guys are here, and let me know what channel banner arts you guys have created from this tutorial and if this was helpful. So like I said, I'm sticking with pink, and I'm just sizing it just so that I can see if I'm going to adjust it. Do I want to make it smaller? Do I want it to be more so in the middle? I'm not sure. So after I have my name figured out, I'm going to add a second text, and this is just going to be a subheading to my YouTube channel name, and it's going to basically be like 3 adjectives on what my channel is about. So tutorials, boss babe life, and what's the third one? And editing. Sweet, short, to the chase. And we're going to do the same thing we did with our other text. You're just going to highlight it and just use this little bar here to just adjust the size, whether we want it to be tilted. You can adjust the font, the style, and if you want to move it horizontally, vertically, etc., etc. And this looks good to me. Like, I'm happy with this. This looks good. It looks like a basic beginner friendly channel banner art, but it looks lit, and that's what we want. Lit but popping. Basic, lit, and popping. So yeah, so after we do that, I'm gonna go back into the photo just to see if it saved successfully, which it did, and I'm just gonna show you guys a close-up of how it looks. And I like it. It looks cute. For someone who's starting out on YouTube, as difficult as it is to make channel banner arts, I didn't want to overwhelm you guys with a bunch of apps and XYZ, so I just tried to come up with the most basic way. Not basic, but the most easiest way. You know what I mean. And I'm just going to show you guys how it looks. This is my old channel banner art. I'm going to go and click edit channel banner link art. And we are going to upload the new channel banner art. So yeah, I was speaking ahead of myself so I could see. And this is the final look here. You can see it completely on the laptop, but this is perfectly fine. It fits just perfect, and I love it. And yeah, make sure that you guys hit that subscribe button, like, comment, and let me know down below how your channel banner arts came out. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.